All right. So we're gonna do this POV drive because one of the subscribers, I'm gonna put his name somewhere in here, requested for a POV drive, point of view drive of the Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. So this is a 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio in Rosso Competizione. So we are on D or dynamic mode, and I have the suspension set to soft. We're gonna start off by driving in automatic. We're gonna go get a car wash today, so you're gonna tag along. So this is dynamic mode. I have modified the exhaust of this, wherein I took off the vacuum valve hose and put a cap on it, so it's always on open, even in any mode that you drive, from all weather to normal mode to dynamic, because otherwise it's just going to be in race mode all the time. And race mode gives you the best sound, but also you don't get all the electronic safety features. All right, let's go on manual in dynamic. Pardon the windshield, it's kind of dirty. Let's wash it. Open up the windows, you can hear that engine. gonna put it on race mode. Put the dampers on mid. Lightning fast shifts. The CF transmission is fantastic. Shifts are fantastic too. And just like that, I'm out of gas. Let's gas up. Get a car wash. Is that. So hopefully you like this video. Click the thumbs up. If you want any more driving style videos, just let me know. But one thing that the Alfa Romeo or this video could not convey, I mean, as you can see the POV drive, what it cannot convey to you. You can hear the sound and you can hear me driving it. What it cannot convey is how quick and dynamic the steering of this car. I have never driven a car as quick of a steering as this one, and as fast, accurate, dynamic, point and shoot kind of steering wheel. It's like a video game kind of steering wheel. Incredible feeling. Of course, the paddle shifters are amazing, and the sound is just fantastic. It's a totally different experience as compared to the Hellcat. So it's just a fantastic car. Hopefully you will find the one that you're looking for, and God bless on the search of your Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. All right. One last thing. Make sure if you're gonna buy a used one, make sure the belt service has been done, because there's a $3,000 service of the serpentine belt. I think at 36,000 miles it requires a serpentine belt service, required manual by the owner's manual. Make sure that is done so you don't have to pay for that $3,000 serpentine belt service, or you can buy brand new, so no problem. Make sure you get a warranty too. So any questions you have, comment below, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.